Assalamu alaikum and welcome everyone. Welcome to the third video of our series. In this video, we will see how to create a server through Node.js. In the last video, I hope you all guys are already set up and installed Node.js in your machine. Now we will create a server. So here, first we create server.js file, and inside that we will log console.log hello from server.js. If I write node server.js, then see what happens. It will successfully log our message inside the terminal. As you can see here, it is the same message that we write in log statement in console log. Now we create our package, our project package, which can be anything. First write npm init in your terminal and it will ask some question. Write your package name. In our case, our project name is mastering node.js. So write mastering node.js version. We don't want to define version. We don't write description. And we also don't, yeah, this is our entry point. As you can see, server.js is our entry point. It can be anything, but it's a good practice that you write your root file name is server.js. So test command, not anyone, git repository. We will see all the details in the upcoming videos. First, in this video, just focus on how we create a server. So write your name. You can write your name here. As my name is Sayyid Muhammad Taha. You can write your ones. It's totally fine. Yeah, all things good. Now go to package.json. In the package.json file, as you can see, this is our main entry point, server.js. Yeah, that's good. And this is our project name. It's totally fine. Now, this is the best part of our package.json. Here we can define our script name. As you can see in the previous, I wrote node server.js, but it now it is also working if I write npm run start. Let's see the example. Npm run start. It will give the same output as we write node server.js. We got our log statement in the terminal. Now if I write npm run start, it will also give the same result. Let's see. So we also get our message successfully. Now you can write any name here. Name. If you want any script name, you are good to go. You are not restricted to npm start. If I write npm run node, uh, or if I npm run node, it will also works fine, as you can see. But it's a good practice that your script name should be start, and later we see we have many scripts name such as start, dev, build, and we will see all those scripts and its purposes. Just uh, just watch this series and you stay tuned to know all the advanced and basic all things you are you get this you get from this series. All right, now if I go to server.js file, now it's time to start. Now it's right time to create our server. So let's get started. Const HTTP, we required HTTP module which is provided by our Node.js. So write HTTP, const HTTP require, and then you can write const server because we want to create server, and here HTTP dot create server. This is the function that is inside that is built in inside HTTP. All right. Create server gets a callback, request response, and I hope you are familiar with this. It's a JavaScript ES6 things. So I'm not going to cover these JavaScript topics. I hope you are already familiar with that because in this series we focused on how Node.js works specifically. If you want to, if you want that we should create JavaScript series as well, write in the comment below, and we will good to go. And I create a JavaScript series for yours, for my students and for you guys as well. So now, uh, inside this, we can send request dot and we can write request dot and request dot and sorry, not readable, and just and we write a typical message hello world, which is the first message of every programmer. Now we can listen server dot listen. So you can we can log server and see whether the listen method is defined inside that or not. If you want to know, you can check by logging this. If you want to go into details, so listen got two arguments, as you can see, port number and a host name, which can be string and backlog. So write port number. Port number can be anything, 8000, 4000, or whatever you want. And inside that, it also get callback. We can write console.log and say hello from the server. All right. Now we can, this is our server, hello from the server, or you can write any message. Server is listen on the port number port 8000. So now let's get started. Our server. I hope you will be excited. So write npm run start and let's see what's happened. Yeah, that's totally fine. You can see our server is listen on port 8000. All right, now go to our browser and hit the request on 8000. If we write localhost 8000 in our browser and hit request, then we must see this message. If our codes work fine, then you will see this message. All right, there is some error. Oh, sorry, this is not request. As you can see, it says request.end. This is it. This is not a function. Right, replace this from request to response. So what does it mean? It means that when we hit localhost 8000, so we want to send response, which is hello world, not request. And then run start again, and our server runs fine. And if I hit enter, then you can see we got our message hello world. Uh, you you know that this come from our server. This is comes from our server. We send response from server, and that response you can easily see in our client side. This comes from backend. So it's good. Now in the next video we will see as how to create a different routes in website. You see we have different routes like about or contact us. So in the next video we will see how to create these different routes in backend. All right, stay tuned. We will catch up to you next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.